General Motors has been a driving force in the automotive industry for over a century, pioneering new technologies, introducing iconic brands, and helping to shape the way we move and live. But as the world shifts towards a more sustainable, electric, and autonomous future, what will General Motors' role be in this new era of mobility? In this video, we'll take a closer look at General Motors' vision for the future, exploring the company's latest innovations, upcoming product launches, and ambitious goals for the years ahead. From cutting-edge electric pickups to advanced autonomous vehicles, General Motors is poised to lead the way into a new era of mobility and transform the way we live, work, and travel. Join us as we explore the future of General Motors and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. But not before we look at their history littered in scandal. General Motors, also known as GM, is one of the largest automotive manufacturers in the world. Founded in 1908, the company has a long and storied history that spans more than a century. In its early years, GM was a major player in the automotive industry, introducing innovative features such as electric starters and automatic transmissions. By the 1920s, GM had become the largest automaker in the world, with more than 12 different brands under its umbrella. Throughout the mid-20th century, GM continued to dominate the automotive industry, introducing new models such as the Chevrolet Corvette and the Pontiac GTO. However, the company faced challenges in the 1970s as oil prices skyrocketed and consumer preferences shifted towards smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles. In the 1980s and 1990s, GM struggled to remain profitable and faced increased competition from foreign automakers. The company attempted to cut costs by closing factories and laying off workers, but these measures were met with resistance from labor unions and other stakeholders. During the early 2000s, GM faced a major scandal when it was revealed that the company had been covering up defects in its ignition switches for over a decade. The faulty switches were responsible for more than 100 deaths and hundreds of injuries, and GM ultimately had to recall millions of vehicles and pay billions of dollars in fines and settlements. The misconduct rocked GM's reputation and led to a major overhaul of the company's leadership and operations. Under new CEO Mary Barra, GM has focused on innovation and sustainability, investing heavily in electric and autonomous vehicles. Today, GM continues to be a major player in the automotive industry, with a wide range of brands and products. The company has faced its share of challenges and scandals over the years, but it remains a cornerstone of the American economy and an important part of the global automotive landscape. GM has recently announced its new electric pickup truck, the GMC Hummer EV. The Hummer EV is available at a whopping $120,000 starting price. If you want one of these in the UK, it will set you back an eye-watering £320,000. The Hummer EV will be a full-size pickup truck with a crew cab and a 5-foot cargo bed. It will be powered by 3 electric motors that will provide a combined output of up to 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque. The truck will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds, which is comparable to some high-performance sports cars. The Hummer EV will be available in several different trims, including a base model with a range of approximately 250 miles on a single charge, and a more expensive model with a range of up to 350 miles. The truck will also come equipped with advanced features such as adaptive air suspension, 4-wheel steering, and an extract mode that will raise the truck's suspension by up to 6 inches to help it clear obstacles. One of the most unique features of the Hummer EV is its crab mode, which allows the truck to move diagonally, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. The truck will also come with a variety of off-road features such as skid plates, underbody armor, and an electronic locking differential. The Hummer EV will be built on GM's new Ultium platform. The Ultium platform is an advanced electric vehicle architecture developed by General Motors. This innovative platform is designed to power a range of new electric vehicles from GM, including pickups, SUVs, and cars. It features a unique modular design that allows for flexibility in vehicle size and design, while still maintaining high levels of efficiency and performance. One of the key benefits of the Ultium platform is its ability to support a wide range of battery sizes and configurations. This allows GM to build electric vehicles with a variety of ranges, from as little as 200 miles up to 450 miles or more. Additionally, the Ultium features cutting-edge battery technology, including high-density pouch cells that are more efficient and longer-lasting than traditional cylindrical cells. The Ultium platform also incorporates advanced motor and drive unit technology, which helps to improve performance and efficiency. This technology allows for more precise control over the vehicle's power and torque, making for a smoother and more responsive driving experience. In addition to its technical capabilities, the platform is also designed with sustainability in mind. The batteries used in the platform are produced using a high percentage of recycled materials, and the entire system is designed to be easily recyclable at the end of the vehicle's life. The Ultium platform is a significant step forward for General Motors, allowing the company to build a range of advanced electric vehicles with impressive performance, efficiency, and range. With the Ultium platform powering its next generation of electric vehicles, GM is well positioned to compete in the rapidly growing market for electric vehicles and help to drive the transition to a more sustainable, low-emissions transportation system. Overall, the GMC Hummer EV is shaping up to be a highly capable and technologically advanced electric pickup truck that should appeal to a wide range of buyers, from an off-road enthusiast to those simply looking for a high-performance and eco-friendly vehicle. General Motors is one of the largest automotive manufacturers in the world, but it faces intense competition from a number of other companies, many of which are also major players in the automotive industry. Some of GM's top competitors include Ford, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Tesla. Ford is perhaps GM's most direct competitor, with a similar portfolio of brands and a focus on innovation and sustainability. Like GM, Ford has faced its share of challenges and bad press, including a major recall of faulty transmissions in 2019 and ongoing issues with the Ford Explorer SUV. However, the company has ambitious plans for the future, including a push into electric vehicles with models such as the Mustang Mach-E and the upcoming F-150 Lightning pickup. Toyota is another major competitor for GM, with a reputation for quality, reliability, and innovation. The company has faced scandal in recent years, including a series of recalls for faulty airbags and acceleration pedals. However, Toyota remains a leader in the automotive industry, with a strong focus on hybrid and electric vehicles, as well as autonomous driving technology. Volkswagen is a major player in the global automotive industry, with a portfolio of brands that includes Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, and others. The company has faced a major scandal in recent years over its use of defeat devices to cheat on emission tests, resulting in billions of dollars in fines and settlements. Despite these challenges, Volkswagen is investing heavily in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology, with plans to launch dozens of new electric models over the next decade. Finally, Tesla has emerged as a major disruptor in the automotive industry, with a focus on electric vehicles, autonomous driving technology, and sustainable energy. While Tesla has yet to turn a consistent profit and faces ongoing production and quality issues, the company has captured the attention of investors and consumers alike with its sleek designs, cutting-edge technology, and innovative business model. General Motors faces intense competition from a range of competitors, each with their own strengths, challenges, and plans for the future. While the automotive industry is constantly evolving, it's clear that sustainability, innovation, and technological advancements will be key drivers of success in the years ahead. The EV truck war is already raging with savage competition for battery range, AI, and AR technology, as well as beautiful futuristic looks. But is all this only reserved for the wealthy? Is a $100,000 starting price tag a taste of things to come for this planet-saving technology? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share.